My favorite fruits are back in season. How better way to celebrate? I've made a whole wheat strawberry dark chocolate chunk cake for you. Hi, this is Chef Nupur Varma from the Wooden Spoon, powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. The first step to make a whole wheat dark chocolate cake, I'm taking my baking soda and I'm mixing it with the yogurt. I'm going to keep this aside for it to foam a little. I'm adding my baking powder to my whole wheat flour and keeping that aside. In my mixing bowl, I'm going to whisk the castor sugar with the oil for it to become pale. I'm going to beat this until it's well incorporated. My sugar and oil is well incorporated. To this, I'm going to add the yogurt baking soda mix. See how well it's foamed up. And vanilla extract. Going to give this a quick mix. Next goes in my milk. I'm going to fold in my flour little by little into this mix. Next, I put in my lemon juice, a few of the sliced strawberries. I save a few to top the cake, and some dark chocolate chunks. I'm going to give this a quick mix. I transfer this into my baking tin, which has been greased. Top with the remaining strawberries that I have. This goes into my oven at 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes.